Is Mexico's weed problem really that bad? I'm talking, of course, about seaweed, or sargasso as the locals call it here in Playa del Carmen. So some spots are going to be worse than others, especially south by Playa Car. You'll see these beaches are unmaintained. So the sargassum just keeps piling up. However, this is only a big issue during the summer months. The rest of the year, these beaches are beautiful and you can go in the water without facing this huge pile of seaweed. But don't worry, because if you go north to the other beaches that are maintained, you won't have this problem. Well, at least it's not as bad. You just have to walk around the seaweed to get into the water. And sometimes these paths are already carved out so you can get to the otherwise pristine beach without an issue. And as you can see, once we get past that sargassum hurdle on this maintained beach, everything is beautiful. It's like nothing's there. And the sargassum just have one benefit, as it can double as a bench, as I've seen some people just sit on here and drink a beer. So to keep these beaches clean, you'll see these huge bulldozers on the beach during the day trying to run me down as I film them. And these are going to be on the beaches by all the bars and restaurants in Centro Playa del Carmen. You'll see the bulldozer come down, then these guys with pitchforks shovel all the seaweed into the front of the bulldozer, and then it takes this huge messy haul right by all these paying customers at the beach club, and then throw it away in this huge dumpster truck. And I've seen them do this at several beaches. So the sargassum is going to change on a daily basis based on how maintained it is on that current day. The only downside is there is still a smell to it, so when all the seaweed is compiled into this one dumpster, it does kind of stink. But that's the price you pay to live in paradise here in Playa del Carmen. So don't let all this sargassum deter you from visiting Playa del Carmen. If you just go to the right beaches that are well maintained, you won't have this issue. Just be on the lookout for these huge bulldozers, as those are where the clean beaches will be. So hope you guys found this useful, and check out my next video here on popular Playa del Carmen bars so you can enjoy a beer on the beach. Like and subscribe for more.